beautiful people, what's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been doing? How's it going out there? How's you and your family? I hope everyone is doing well. I wanted this video to be a vlog, but it didn't turn out that way. I was super busy and I was just like, I didn't get the time to. So I'm going to be doing a sit down video. But in the first part of this video, I wanted to do a special unboxing. And if you guys can see by the title, this is going to be the 7 items you need from Chanel under $1,000. I started this series, probably the Beginner Guide series, maybe like 9-10 months ago, and I never finished it. So I want to go ahead and start finishing and wrapping up all of these series so I can go ahead and bring new content to my channel. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys the special unboxing that I have for you guys. So this is my little Chanel archive little section, and then the box that we're going to be talking about is going to be this one. So let's see if we can do it with one hand. And as you can see, I do put sneakers everywhere just because that is my new thing. I have some there, I have some there. This just happened to be, I was in the right place at the right time. One of my friends said that my Chanel may be getting this. So I went ahead and hit up my SA and she was like, yeah, we just got it. So I was the first one to touch it. I took it out of the Chanel box that it was shipped in, and then I was able to get it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. And I know I've just been addicted to Chanel lately. Like, I don't know why, but it just happens to be that way. So I don't like these dust bags. I feel like they're shoe dust bags, and my SA was like, not a problem. So she went ahead and got this one for me. So this is the original dust bags that always comes with the classic flaps, but I guess this one is not considered a classic flap, so that's why it came with this one. And the bag in question is this. This is the Chanel rectangular mini in lambskin with silver hardware. So let's go ahead and open it up. It is from Made in Italy, and it's the 20B series. So look at that. It's all leather in the inside. I think so. Is it all leather on the inside? Yes, it's all leather on the inside. This is my first lambskin bag. I don't think that I'll be scared. I'm not crazy when it comes to stuff, but I'm not delicate either, so we'll figure it out. But if you guys want this, let me show you guys the product and everything. So there it goes. So if you guys can go ahead and grab it, go ahead and grab it, just because they don't make these as often as we think. Let's see how it looks on. Let me show you guys how it looks. Look, that's how it looks, and this is how, it fits. Come on. And this is how it fits me. This is how it looks. I'm pretty sure that I've already showcased my new bag to you guys. So if you guys are here for this portion of the video, this is going to be 7 things that everyone needs from Chanel, all under $1,000. And I know that you guys out there are probably thinking there's nothing for dudes in here. All of these items are unisex in my personal opinion. I don't really care about labels. I think that if you want something, go out there and try it on, go out there and get it. Number one has to be fragrance / beauty. And the beauty portion is going to be like, your lip balm or your eye creams or, your creams or anything like that, if you guys are into that. But I mostly am into the fragrances. So now this is Allure, Chanel Allure Home. As you guys can see, this is already finished just because this is one of my favorite, from Chanel. Let me spray it. Let me finish the bottle. So this one costs $77. And then the more popular one is Bleu de Chanel, or Chanel Bleu, which is also $77. But the fragrances can go upwards for the private label up to $200. So just keep that in mind. I am a fragrance connoisseur, so I do like trying different fragrances from different brands to see how they are. And my favorite one from Chanel has to be Allure. The second item on my list are sunglasses, and as you guys know, I love sunglasses. Now, I just recently lost my favorite pair of Celine sunglasses that I have been rocking over and over again, so I am in the market for a new pair of sunnies, and I don't have this style, and these are the Chanel Aviator sunglasses. Now, when it comes to sunnies, I want to be as classic as possible so it can, grow with me. It can go into different seasons, so I don't want to get anything too trendy, so I will go with a classic Aviator with Chanel calls it a pilot sunglasses, which Aviator, pilot, all the same thing. And the sunglasses are $415. I think that's pretty good for a pair of sunnies because they can go upwards to like the thousands. And everything that's going to be on my list is something that I would like, so I'm never going to give you guys anything just to go out there and go try and go and buy. I will always give you guys something that I personally would wear or something that I personally want myself. The next thing that I have is leather. So now the leather goods, you know, the creme de la creme of the brand. Chanel is known for their leathers, the caviar, the lambskins. So we couldn't, you know, complete this list without talking about Chanel and leather. This is a Chanel wallet. I purchased this maybe in 2017 because this is a 17K series. This is my travel wallet. So now I love it because it has the card slots right over there, and I can just slip my passport right there, and then any notes or money or anything can fit into it. So that's why I love that it's large. And I think that they just came out with one that you can stick your phone in that is about just like this. That's like curved and you can stick your phone in. That one costs $900, or you can just get a simple card case for $425. I had a Chanel card case, but I realized I never used it. I think I used it probably one time, so I went ahead and sold it. The fourth thing on my list has to be scarves. You guys already know how I feel about scarves. I love Hermes scarves, but I have been wanting to try Chanel scarves just because of, you know, I want to see how it compares to Hermes. They came out with one this season that is cashmere and silk, but it's navy blue and red, and it's like one of those long stole scarves that you can wear with, like, you know, one of those what are those, like those overcoats. So I definitely want to give that one a try. But they do have a bucket hat. This bucket hat is so dope. It does cost $475, but it has all of the colors that I love. They have navy blue, it has gray, it has white, and it has black. It's super cool and it's super dope. So I'm wondering if they have my size, because you guys know I have like a big head. The next thing that Chanel is known for is their costume jewelry. Now, I wanted one. I've seen a lot of guys starting to wear the Chanel pearl necklaces, which I want to see how it looks on me. Like, you know, it's like a little choker just like this, and it has like pearls and maybe the little CCs around. I know Chanel. Pharrell is known for wearing that, and I see a lot of bloggers wearing it. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try for my personal style. The brooches start at $525, so they're really reasonable. Like, in my personal opinion, you know, like if you're starting off to get something from Chanel, this should be the number one thing that you get. Just because you can put it on your jacket, you can put it on a shirt, you can put it on a scarf, you can put it on your hat, you can put it on a bag, you can put it legit anywhere, and it'll look good on everything. Next category that I have for you guys is footwear. Chanel is definitely known for the espadrille / sneakers. Now, I'm not an espadrille guy just because I don't like how they look on my foot, but if you guys like espadrilles out there, just make sure you go pop into your local Chanel to see if they have men's, because I know from season to season they vary. It's never like, you know, hey, there's men espadrilles. It just drops when it drops. But they start at $725. And for me, in my personal opinion, I feel like Chanel was the originator of the designer dad shoe, just because they've had these chunky sneakers for the longest time. Every time I went into Chanel, it was a chunky sneaker, even when it wasn't in trend. I think it's just a vibe when I see, like, you know, the men and women in their 80s, you know, in Manhattan with their tracksuits, just like, you know, walking around, because it's comfortable. It's just like easy, it's effortless. There's nothing trying too hard. So those start at $825 and up. And again, each season they vary with women and men's, and if you have a small enough foot as a guy, you know, you can go ahead and fit into them. I wear size 10, which is like a size 12 in women, so I can get away with wearing it as well. But if you guys have bigger foot out there, just make sure you find a Chanel sales associate and put your name down so they can let you know as soon as they drop the men's collection, and then you can go ahead and get called as soon as they come in. And last but not least has to be clothing. And then the only thing that I can find that I would love is a Chanel t-shirt. They came out with two this season. Again, the same style as the bucket hat that I described earlier, which is like a navy blue with grays, whites, and blacks in it. And they also came out with a white version with gray, black, and I think navy blue is in it. The t-shirts cost $950. And as I said at the beginning of the video, do not worry if it's in the women's section. It doesn't matter. If it fits you and you like it, go ahead and get it. A lot of men shop in the women's section and a lot of women shop in the men's section. So don't feel like, oh man, I can't wear that because it's in the women's section. It doesn't matter. And one company that I know specifically who does this is Mike Ameri. His men's and women's t-shirts are legit the same. The flannel shirts are legit the same. He'll literally come out with maybe 5 colors in women and 5 colors in men. They're not the same colors, but it's just like they're the same t-shirt, if you guys understand what I'm saying. And that completes my list of the 7 items that you need from Chanel, all under $1,000. In the comment section down below, let me know what was the first item you guys purchased from Chanel that you got gifted to you. And if you guys don't have anything from Chanel, let me know something that you guys may have want to be your first purchase from Chanel. If you guys are new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe. I make videos every single Sunday, so go ahead and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you guys will be notified every time I drop the video. And like the video so I know to continue to keep making videos just like this one. I hope you beautiful people have an amazing day. Peace.